Class 9, exercise number 3.10, question number 2, solve graphically the second Roman number in this question. See, the equation is given as 3x plus 2y is equal to 4 is the first equation. Let me take it as this is the equation number 1, and then 9x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0 is given as equation number 2. By using these two equations, we want to find out what is the ordered pair. Right? Solution. The first equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now put x equal to 0 in equation number 1. If I put x equal to 0 means the whole term becomes 0, then we get 2y is equal to 4, then y is equal to 4 divided by 2, then y is equal to 2. Then the ordered pair, let me take it as A as the ordered pair, that is 0, 2. Now for the same equation we want to put the value y is equal to 0 to find the another ordered pair. To put y is equal to 0, here in this place if you put y is equal to 0, we get 3x is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 4 by 3. If you divide this term, see 4 is divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, remainder 1, put on point, add on 0, 3 3s are 9. So we get that repeatedly 1.3. So the ordered pairs are here. Let me take it as b is equal to the ordered pair. First we want to write the x value and then we want to write the y value, right? So x is 1.3 comma y is 0 for the first equation. Now we come to the second equation to find the another two ordered pair. Now 9x plus 6y minus 12 is the second equation. Here also we are using the same form, that is put x is equal to 0. We need the x and y value, the ordered pair, right? So that's why we are using the short idea, put x equal to 0 in the first equation, then we get 6y minus 12 equal to 0. We want to find what is the y value, right? 6y is equal to 12, then y is equal to 12 divided by 6, then y is equal to 2. Let me take it as the ordered pair C as the point 0, 2. Now put y is equal to 0 in the same equation. First one is x equal to 0. Now y is equal to 0. Here if you apply y is equal to 0 means then we get 9x. The whole term becomes 0 minus 12 equal to 0. If you take this 12 to another side, we get 9x is equal to plus 12. Then we need x value only. 12 divided by 9. 3 3s are 3 4s are. Then x is equal to 4 by 3 is nothing but we have divided, that is the point x is equal to 1.3. Let me take it as the point D. D as the point as first x-axis 1.3 comma 0. This is D, this is C for the equation number 2. For the equation number 1 we have A and B. Now we want to plot the points in the graph. Here we take the graph. The horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Here the scale factor we have taken as scale factor as x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So we get 1, 2, 3 like this, right? 1 unit only. Now we want to plot the point. The first A point is 0, 2. A point is 0, 2. X-axis 0, y-axis 2. So the point lies in the y-axis. This is the point. X-axis 0, 2 means the point lies here. Then this point is 0, 2. This is A point. And then next we see what is the B point. B is equal to 1.3, 0. X-axis is 1.3 and y-axis is equal to 0. X-axis is 1.3 means see here 1, 2, 3. So this is the point of 1.3 and y-axis 0 means the point lies in the x-axis. This is the point of B, that is 1.3, 0. Now we have to draw a straight line for this 2 point. So this is the straight line. The equation of this line is given as 3x. This is the first equation, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4 is the first equation, right? And then see the C and D point. The C point is 0 comma 2. The same point C is 0 comma 2. Here the C point is 0 comma 2. And then D point is also we get 1.3 comma 0. D point is also 1.3 comma 0. The same point, right? So the two lines are coincide. Here we have the line, another. The same point means if you draw another line, right? If you draw the line for this, the line is coincide. The two lines are coincide. We know that when the two lines are coincide, we get an infinite number of solution. We have already studied. Now this line is that equation number 2. The equation number 2 is 9x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0 is the second equation. The first equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So the two lines are coincide. So we get the infinite number of solution. The two lines represent same, or the two lines are coincide. Then we get infinite number of solution, or the two lines represent the same point. We can write that matter also, right? So the two lines are coincide. We get the infinite number of solutions here. Thank you, students.